Good afternoon, peeps. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amanda. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. I'm known here as Miss Glamazon. Amanda is my real name. So everybody welcome. This is my monthly favourites for February. Even though we are now in March, I've got them written down. So it's not going to be the longest video I've shot, but that was the whole idea. Okay. Number one on my list is the Aldi Moisturising Primer. It is a dupe for the Bobbi Brown Moisturising Primer that they have. This is it. Now, I will be honest with you, there is a scent off of this. So if you are sensitive to scent, it's as soft as a baby's little tushy. But if you are sensitive to scent, it does dissipate rather quickly. But if you are sensitive to scent, you might find this one a little difficult to tolerate. But I'll tell you like it is, guys. That's the point of this channel. Oh, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. You know you want it. It's fucking free. Okay, next thing on my list is the Barry Ann Brown Kit. Now, I have been using this for months. This is it here. You've got your little applicator there, little applicator brush here on one end, spoolie on the other, and then you have your two colours and your wax. Now, the middle colour is the one I use, and as you can see, I've hit pan on it. Excellent product. I use it to do my eyeliner as well. A little bit of liquid eyeliner and then a little bit of that on top just to set it. Absolutely love this product. Highly recommend. I bought it off, I think I got it off Littlewoods, but I have it a long time, guys. And it was just a couple of euro. Nothing worth worrying the bank manager about. Very small money. Okay, next thing on my list is a palette that I'm starting to use again. I've had it for, I must have it a year, if not more. And I did use it initially when I got it, and now, of course, I'm back using it again. It's a jack of all trades here, guys. This thing is the jack of all trades. It is Luna by Lisa Jordan, and it's her palette. And you know what? I need my glasses to read what it's called, because I am as blind as a fucking bat. It's the Luna by, doesn't say anything on it really, other than Luna by Lisa Jordan. It's her little palette. In it, you get a bronzer, a blush, a highlighter for the face, and a little eyeshadow type highlighter product here. An eyeshadow here that's a shimmery eyeshadow. I am wearing it as my eye makeup today. Oh, I dyed my brows as well, guys, so they're not too caterpillarish. I am loving this palette, and it is absolutely magic, and it's a very, very useful little thing because it works great as eyeshadow. I mean, that blush mixed with the bronzer, put on your eye, a little bit of eyeliner, you're sucking diesel, lads. Well, sucking the diesel. Sorted. Sorted. Fabulous little product. And wasn't dear. I can't remember the exact price, but I just remember it wasn't expensive. And it's just, this thing's going to go forever. Although I have a funny feeling I will hit pan on that bronzer eventually. But maybe not for a long time. And I will use it till it's last hurrah. It's a really good product, guys. If you can get your hands on it, I highly recommend that you do. Next on my list is the Clinique Chubby Stick. Yes, that's the next thing, is the Clinique Chubby Stick, the contour one. Here it is. Look at this. Now, you would look at this and you would think, holy shit, Batman. But when that is on, it's on me at the moment. It's so subtle, lads. I underpainted my makeup. If you all want to hear what that is and how to do it, comment below, I'll do the video for you. But I underpainted with this and the whole lot. This really good stuff, guys. I highly recommend this. It's quite expensive, but it's worth the money. I've had it since before Christmas, and I've used it every single day of the week. I highly recommend this product. I mean, I think it's about 23 euros, but I've had it since before Christmas. And as I've said just before I got cut off, every day of the week, guys. Every day of the week, this is used. I even put a little bit on my eyes if I'm not using eyeshadow, just to give them a little bit of a contour. Fabulous product, creamy, blends like an absolute dream. To blend this little beauty, I use, it's a Bare Minerals brush. It's there, it's written on it somewhere. Something, but smoothing face brush. This is it here. This is the guy I used to blend it out. Works like a dream. This stuff is worth, I mean, we're 3 months into the year, and there's still a shit ton left in this. I'll probably get a year out of it and have to replace it next Christmas. Okay, next on my list is the little Zoeva fan brush. This is the big fan brush from Zoeva. I'm going to have to get my glasses. Guys, I am so blind, it's not even funny. It's the 129 Luxe fan brush. This thing is fabulous. It's soft, it's squishy, it doesn't shed, easy to clean, easy to keep. I use it with my By Terry powder to do over my makeup. There's my By Terry powder, nearing the end of its life. Not cracking anything else up until I hit pan on that. Fabulous product, well recommend. I think it was about 12 euros when I got mine. I have it a long time, you know by the look of it, wouldn't you? Next thing is a brow pencil. It is by Tanya Burr. It's an excellent little brow pencil. I've had it now. Should I have thrown this out by now? Probably, because I have it years. But you know what? It still works and I still love it. And there it is. It's in the dark. It's what's on the tail of my eyebrows on both sides. I fill in the head of the brow up to the tail with the brow kit, and then the tail I'll put a little bit of this on just because I'm very sparse of hair there, like the bloody hair on my head. What can I say, guys? Menopause combined with a mini gastric bypass results in fucking hair loss, baldiness. That's life. Next on my list is a lip liner that I have been using. Now, I have another one that's down to the scut here and I can't find it. So I had to crack open the new one. It is the NYX lip liner in Leon. That's the colour of it. It's absolutely fantastic. Now, I have no lip liner on me at the moment, that's it there, because if you look at my lip, it's in shite. And I am not putting anything on that other than 8 Hour Cream by Elizabeth Arden. Okay, so that's my favourite lip liner, and it really is my favourite lip liner. Next thing is a tool. Is there a tool that I have really enjoyed, I've had for years? Again, it's by Tanya Burr. She no longer makes any makeup products. I mean, hello Tanya, what's that about? I can't even get a replacement for that brow pencil, and I wouldn't mind getting a replacement of that in either medium or light, because I think the dark, I have to put it on with a very gentle hand or it goes on, I look like a caterpillar. However, back to this mirror, I have 2 of them. I've had it for years. Excellent little job for in the handbag. If you're going somewhere, just drop her in there and Bob's your uncle and Fanny's your aunt again. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, as I was saying. Great little mirror, well recommended. Okay, next we're going to look into lifestyle and fashion. I'm going to run through this very quickly. I have 2 items that I'm going to share with you, and they're both sitting behind my back here. They're both from the same brand called Tipperary Crystal. They are handbags. And you know me and my obsession with handbags now, lads. This has been going on for a great many years and continues to be the case. The first one I have is in baby pink. This is it. It's very Chanel-esque in its design. You open it up, there is a zipper. You can lock it closed with a zip. Got loads of room, pink lining, absolutely fabulous. I think I've done a what's in my bag with this. Still has some of the fucking tabs on it. Oh, they really annoy me. Yes, myself and Living Looks with Meredith would agree. I hate them. I just forgot to take that one off. I have it a while. This is a brand new bag, obviously. Brand new. It's very Chanel. It closes up front here with a little turn lock. Very much similar to the way Chanel does. And if you look at it, it's similar shape. It's got the TC here. Love it. Fabulous little bag. The only thing is, like all things baby pink, it'll get dirty fairly fucking quick, lads. Be prepared to have your baby wipes on hand. And the second Tipperary Crystal handbag that I'm going to show you, this will come as no surprise. If you know me, you know I don't, if it's good in pink, it's got to be good in any other colour that's available to buy. And of course, they had it in black, didn't they? I got it on Depop, 20 quid. What can you, 20 quid all in, ding, delivered to my door. Now, that's it, I'm using it at the moment. Oh, holy Jesus, we have 3 minutes left. So inside here I have my little medical kit that has a few painkillers, has cream for this piece of shit. I have my little purse, which is a Coach little purse, which I'm still using, my car keys. Just the usual shit. I mean, I'll do a what's in my purse separate video for you. But this is it. It's the very same as the pink. It has the turn lock on the front. Perfect, beautiful bag. there was a there's two ends to this that you'll see if I can get this to show for you. Here, it meets at the ends here. I'm going to have to go and turn that off. It's a fabulous bag. Hold on a second, lads. There's always something, and now the fucking dog is barking. Daisy, get in here, please. I swear to God. If it's not one thing, it's another. However, back to the handbag. The handbag. The Tipperary Crystal, Chanel-esque little handbag. Well, it's joined here. The two pieces are joined here. And for some reason, he didn't do a great job of stitching that now, did he? I'll have a look at that. Hey. No, that's fine. I had to take it to a cobbler and get it stitched because it had broken here and was unravelling through the connectors here, which you just can't have that. I just couldn't have that. But now it's fine. I will actually empty it out a bit because I think I might have too much in it and that might have affected that whole situation. I don't know. All I know is it's a fabulous little bag. It's got a turn lock here. Goes crossbody. You can wear it as on the shoulder as well. You just have to pull the two together. But I'm not a big shoulder bag. With the arthritis, I prefer to have the weight evenly distributed across my body. So this is fabulous. And the baby pink is in a little Shein bag to keep it protected. So they are the two handbags that I have been loving this month. Depending on what I'm wearing, if I'm wearing light colour clothes, like pale jeans or a pale top, something that's not going to transfer, guys, I will use the pink one. And otherwise, you can't beat a good black bag. It goes with everything. It's the most neutral thing you can have in your wardrobe. And I love it. I'm wearing this old little pink puff sleeve top. I've had it ages. It is a little bit on the big side, but you know what? I'm wearing it. It's comfortable. So what am I doing? I've just been cleaning a house, cleaning an apartment, walking the dog, and that's about it, lads. Now, the last thing I'm going to, is there anything else here on my list? I'm going to mention a couple of YouTubers that I've been watching and enjoying. One is Autumn Beckman. If you look her up on YouTube, I'll link the channels below. She's lovely. She does great videos. I like her. I genuinely like her. I think she's an honest person, and I think if she reviews a handbag, it's mostly luxury and handbags and stuff like that she'd just be reviewing and unboxing, and she's a very straightforward young lady, and I like her. I think she's worth a look, guys. I'll link her channel below for you. Everything that's mentioned here will be down in the description box. Next is the Handbag Housewife. I really like her. Yeah. What is her name? Is Erin? Lovely girl. Love her videos. She puts up maybe 3 videos a week, sometimes more. I always watch them. She's great. She's good too. And the last I'm going to mention is Kate Hutchins. She's a lifestyle blogger on here. Lifestyle. She does vlogs, weekly vlogs, and fashion and beauty, and she's just a lovely kid. She's, what age would Kate be now? She's in her 20s. She's a youngster, but she's very, very good, and I genuinely like her, and I will link those 3 ladies down below for you. Go and check them out. I know I don't have many subscribers, but these girls are worth checking out. Definitely worth checking out those 3 lovely ladies. Now, the last thing I'm going to bring to your attention, and you're all going to think I'm a sad git, but you know what? There's a TV show. It's airing on Paramount, but they're showing it on Amazon Prime at the moment. Now, the first 2 seasons are on Netflix, so I would go over to Netflix. Although I think Amazon Prime have all 3. I think they've all 3 seasons up there. Well, we're watching season 3 at the moment. I'll be watching episode 3 on Sunday. The series is Star Trek Picard. It stars Sir Patrick Stewart. And guys, you know what? He's one of the loveliest humans alive. He is a truly lovely man and a great actor. He's brilliant in this. I'm enjoying it. The first 2 seasons, yeah, I enjoyed it. I've enjoyed the first 2. I enjoyed the first 2 seasons, but the 3rd season, lads, we're only 2 episodes in. It's kicking serious ass, lads. If you're in any way into science fiction, give this a look. Just give it a look. Give it a look. He is totally brilliant. Absolutely love Patrick Stewart. I think that man he's wasted. He should have had Oscars coming out of his ass. Literally, that man is a brilliant actor. Okay, and they are my favourites for February. I got my hair done, guys. I don't know if you noticed. It doesn't look it so much in this camera because I've got a ring light behind me here. I have to take my glasses off. It'd be glowing at you. But I did go slightly darker, a slightly darker blonde. I was trying to get towards a blonde, just what I was going for. But my hair tends to pull kind of red, tends to pull gold or red. There's an awful lot of red in my hair. And with this sort of fucking whole Dana Scully, Gillian Anderson bloody hairstyle going, except it's a bit longer, I also, I'm delighted with it. I am. Now, when I get it done again, I'll go a bit darker again. One just doesn't want to give one a heart attack by going from a very light blonde to a brown. But the next time I get it done, I will definitely get a few more dark pieces put through it just to break up the blonde a bit more. I am trying to get my hair back to good health. Since my surgery, I've lost over 100 pounds. I will be posting up on my TikTok, so I'll link that down below. You can go to TikTok on me with my bold glamour. And I haven't got no filter on here, guys. Have you all seen that bold glamour filter? I was trying my best to fucking download it on my phone so I could film all my YouTube videos with it. I mean, I look like a fucking supermodel. It's savage deadly. Go over on TikTok, try out the bold glamour filter, lads. You will kill yourself laughing. I had no makeup on. I looked like a total shitbag. I put this filter on and I was like, yes, holy shit, yes. I will try to put a picture in here because I did take a screenshot. I'll try. I don't know what way it'll show up on the video. But this thing is absolutely savage. I'm killing myself laughing. People are complaining. I say, shut the fuck up. You look good, man. Shut the fuck up. And they're my favourites for February 2023. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up here because that YouTube algorithm is a complete bitch. So please, 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 please give me an old thumbs up, even if you don't subscribe. But I would really like it if you would subscribe because it is free and the more the merrier and you'd be more than welcome. And if there's anything you want me to post a video about or anything, hit me up down below in the comments. If any of you have watched Picard, any of you have tried that glamour filter on TikTok, let me know what you think. Oh yeah. Oh, give me all the lowdown, girls. Right, I better go because I've got a little 4-pod child. I call her my 4-pod little baby over there. She is looking to G.O. She's just after eating a plate of chicken, so I know she's looking to go and poo-poo. Anyway, enough of that. Take care. Subscribe if you haven't already. You'd be more than welcome to join my little YouTube family. It's always a pleasure talking to you, lads and lassies. Have a good weekend ahead, and I will talk to you in my next video, which is going to be up next week. So take care. Bye, y'all.